Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite kicks. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's something like Nautobahn, fake side kick, turning back kick. I'll show you. First step is the basic cut kick. Get your foot underneath your shoulder and your hip and just simply extend out like that. Next thing is basic footwork. Start like you're standing on a skateboard, slide your knee forward like that. Okay, now turn that into a round kick. Next, you're going to step forward with your foot, then you're going to turn your heels to your target and slide your foot straight back. Watch how I slide my feet in a perfect line. Next, we're going to work on the Nautobahn motion. To do that, you need to stand as if you're on a skateboard, turn your heels towards your target, slide your foot straight back, turn your knees towards your target, round kick. Okay, put that together a little bit faster. Now do it with your feet barely touching the ground. Good. Now you're going to turn that Nautobahn kick into a side kick. Once again, foot goes straight behind you, lift the foot forward, side kick. Heel slides straight behind you, forward, side kick. Good. Now you're going to work on your turning back kick. Turn your heels to the target, put your knee down, facing down to the ground, extend out for a side kick behind you. Now add a jump. Now finally, put your foot on the target, jump off of this leg, kick with this leg. Now you're going to add it all together. Slide behind, bring forward into side kick, jump. And there you have it, folks. You can also turn this into a hook kick. It's the same exact thing. Easy.